we just completed a triple explant. She had severe pain from her 16-year-old breast implants, and the capsule started to squeeze the implants, so they were not only oval shaped and made the breast deformed, but also got very high up towards her clavicle. They were hard as a rock and caused a lot of pain. So she decided she wanted to get them removed. She didn't want them replaced. So we removed them, repaired the pectoralis major muscle, which they were placed underneath, put in a drain, and she also complained of her chin implant that was bothering her, causing her some discomfort, and she said, I just want all the implants out. So come check this out. But when you put it like this, what's cool is it looks like a smiley face. So from above, it's like, you know, I don't know. I just thought that was kind of neat all of a sudden. But this is a very commonly used anatomic silicone chin implant that the patient wanted us to remove as well. This right here was a piece of, it's called heterotopic bone. It's bony overgrowth. So the implant was placed underneath the periosteum, and then the bone started to grow over it. So in order to get the implant out, I had to basically chisel the bone, and then that allowed me to remove the implant because the bone was starting to grow over it. So let's open these, and let's try to open them without squirting. Leela.
Beautiful capsulectomy.
Thank you. Get my mic in there.
ASMR.
Scissors. So again, so you can see when this comes out, now it's round. You know, now it's round. So, and this is that heavy calcification. This is why I don't like leaving this in, because the patient will feel this. And the other side's not calcified, but one side was. But you start to see this. I read a study that said at 23 years, every capsule that was examined in a group of patients had some degree of calcification. So you could kind of see that. Okay, let's see. I haven't popped it yet. So again, you can see this one is calcified too. See those calcifications? So you can see kind of that, almost looks like isn't it? It almost looks like the inside of a shell, mother of pearl. But now look, it's round. Now there is like a heavy crease just because it was being squished so long. And I don't know, did I make a hole? I see a little saline, but I think it's probably just from the pocket. But yeah, so okay, so this one, you can read it better, 280 cc's. So they're both 280 probably. But it's interesting, like that looks pretty actually. Like look at the iridescence. Mm-hmm. It, like in here, you know, it almost looks like mother of pearl. So again, this patient had, I don't know long, I forgot how long she told me her chin implant was in, but her breast implants were in for 16 years, and she decided after capsular contracture, calcified hard implants, and pain, it was enough. So we removed them, and she's doing great, and she's gonna get on with her life without implants. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If there's any other questions, send us a message, DM, follow us at Joshua_Lampert on Instagram. I tend to check that one more often, but thanks for watching.